Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the paper 2 document production task for Cambridge IGCSE ICT May June 2022. Okay, for this task, you have been supplied with the following source files. Okay, you should have these source files in your source folder. Task 1, evidence documents. Open the file J2221 evidence. Make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number appear on every page of this document. So we are going to open the evidence document. Okay, to have our name appear in the document, we are going to insert header. Okay, so we'll have our name, center number, and candidate number. Save this document in your work area as J2221 evidence, followed by your candidate number. Okay. You will need your evidence document during the examination to place screenshots when required. Okay, so let's save the file. File, save as. Change the file format. Okay, and then save. Task 2. You are going to edit a document for Tawara Adriatic Charters. The company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph styles must be created, modified, and applied as instructed. Open the file J2221 charter. Okay, so let's open the file J2221 charter. The page setup is set to A4, portrait orientation with 2 centimeter margins. Do not make any changes to these settings. 3 paragraph styles have already been created. Do not make any changes to these unless instructed. Okay, so we are not going to do anything to this. So save the document in your work area in the format of the software you are using with the file name YCGuide. Okay, I'm just going to copy the file name, but in exam you will have to type the name. Okay, so file, save as, change the file format, Word document, and then save. Take a screenshot to show this file has been saved, including evidence of the file type. Place the screenshots in your evidence document. Okay, so we are going to screenshot the YC guide document and evidence document and place as screenshot 1. Okay, in our folder. So this is the evidence file and this is the YC guide file. Okay, I'm going to make use of snipping tool. Okay, I'm just going to screenshot the two together. Okay, and then place in my evidence document as evidence 1. Okay. Place the text Tawara Adriatic Charters center aligned in the header. Okay, I'm going to copy this, insert, header. Okay, it says center aligned, so I will place it here. Okay, I'm going to remove this and remove this. Place in the footer automated page numbers left aligned and your name, center number, candidate number right aligned. Okay, so we need to have the page number left aligned. Yes, left aligned. And then our details are right aligned. So click on footer, choose the 3, and then Page number. Click on page number. Always choose current position. If you don't choose current position, if you choose any of this, it will remove whatsoever text you have in the footer. Okay? And then the candidate details right aligned. And you remove this. That's done. Okay. Make sure that the header is center aligned between the page margins. The footer is aligned with the page margins. No other text or placeholder are included in the header or footer areas. Headers and footers are displayed on all pages. Okay, we have that. Okay, create the following style, basing it on the default paragraph style. Okay, so we're going to create a style. Okay, the style name is YC title. To create a style, I always advise to take your cursor away from any text. Okay, so click on style and then create. Okay, the style name, paste. Change this to normal. The style should be based on normal. Okay, then font style, we have sans serif. Font size 34. If it's sans serif, then you need to use Arial. Okay, then 34 as font size. Alignment is right and enhancement bold italic. Alignment is right, enhancement bold and italic. Then we have single line spacing, 0 space before, 9 space after. Click on format, paragraph. So line spacing is single, the spacing before 0, the spacing after is 9. Okay, take a screenshot evidence to show the settings for the YC title paragraph style. And we are going to place the evidence, the screenshot as evidence too. Okay, take a screenshot. Okay, okay, save. And then place as evidence too. Okay, apply the YC title paragraph style to the text charter guide. So the style that we have created just now will apply to the text, this text here. Okay, just double click on the YC title. Select the subheading types of charter and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending are free if you eat with them. Okay, I'm going to copy this to locate the end of the text. I'm going to make use of find to search for the text. Okay, so this is the text. So you should start from types of charter. I'm going to select this up to type of charter. Types of charter. Okay, here. Change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a 1 centimeter space between them. So go to layout, click on the drop down under columns, then more columns. Okay, select the 2 and then change this to 1 centimeter and then okay. Import the image J2221 board and place it in the paragraph beginning an alternative to a bare board. Okay, so I'm going to search for this text. So at the beginning of this text, we are going to insert the image. That's done. Then it says rotate the image 180 degrees. Rotate the image 180 degree. Okay, click rotate, and then you can rotate twice, or you just flip vertical. Okay, rotate twice 90 degree. Format the image so that it is resized to a width of 4 centimeters with the aspect ratio maintained. It is aligned to the right of the colon and top of the paragraph, starting an alternative to a bareboard. The text wraps around the image. Okay, so let's resize to 4 centimeter. Okay, okay, we are going to wrap the text. Okay, wrap it tight. And then it says it should be at the right, it should be right aligned. Okay, right aligned. Yes. Sort the list from fuel for navigation to water sports equipment. Okay, we need to sort these items here. Okay, to sort the items, select and then click on sort. Okay, we need to sort in alphabetical order. So ascending, so okay. Apply bullets to all the list in step 7. Apply bullets. Okay, the type of bullet is not stated, so we choose any one. The bullets are aligned to the left margin. The list is in single line spacing with no space before or after each line. Single line spacing, right click paragraph, single line spacing with no space before or after. There's a 6-point space after the last item in the list. Okay, we need to have a 6-point space after the last item. Okay, what we can do here is just right click, paragraph, and then 6-point space. The YC subhead paragraph style has already been created and applied to the 4 subheadings. Modify the YC subhead paragraph style so only the following formatting is applied. Okay, so this style has been created. We just need to make some changes to it. So to do that, click on style and then modify. So let's check one by one. Okay, the font style is serif and then font size 16. Okay, serif should be Times New Roman. Font size 16. Alignment in center and then enhancements bold italic. Alignment center, enhancement bold italic. Okay, underline is not part of the enhancement, so we remove it. Okay, then the line spacing is single, space before 0, space after 6. Click on format. Paragraph. So single line spacing, 0 space before, 6-point space after. Okay, so we need to take a screenshot to show that we have made changes to this style. So let's take a screenshot first. Okay. And we'll place that in our evidence document as evidence 3. Locate the table in the document. Apply the YSEAL table paragraph style. So all the text in the table. To all the text in the table. Okay, so let's locate the table. This is the table. Okay. Format only the first two rows of the table so they look like this. Format the table so that 1 point black internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. Okay, we need to have borders, so all borders. Okay, click on borders and shading so we can see the thickness of the border. Okay, click all and then 1 point. Okay, says all text on each row displays on one line. All text displays on one line. Yeah. Okay, but I'm going to adjust this so that the table is out of the margins. The margin. Okay, I will do that later. The table borders and all data fit within the column width. There is a 6 point space after the table. Okay, I'm going to format the table to look like this first. Okay, so I'm going to merge these two cells. Right click, merge, and then um, okay, I'm going to merge this also. Right click, merge cells. Okay, and then I'm going to make this center aligned. Then I can adjust the table properly now. Okay, we need to fill the color, the background shading. Okay, so it has to look like this. That's done. And then we should have 6 point space after the table. Okay, so I'm just going to place my cursor at the beginning of this paragraph and then right click, paragraph. So 6 point space before. Okay, so that's the 6 point space after the table. Spell check and proofread the document. Make sure that the list and tables are not split over columns or pages. Okay. There are no windows or orphans. There are no blank pages. Paragraph styles have been applied as instructed with consistent spacing maintained between all items. Okay, there's a 6 point space after the table and the list. This is done. Okay, so let's check if there's any spelling error. Check the spellings. Okay, so all of these are names that are not English words. So just ignore all, and that's it. Okay, ignore all, and that's it. So we are done with this task. Okay.